Researchers state that when you hear a good news or something good happens to you, or when you are in a happy situation, at that time, feel-good hormones like endorphins, serotonin, and dopamine are secreted in your biosystem. With the secretion of these feel-good hormones, you get so emotionally elated or triggered that you automatically, effortlessly do certain gestures, movements. For example, when you receive a paycheck or a gift, what is the first expression that automatically comes on your face? You smile. When you get a good output of your endeavor or good results in exams, what do? You jump, you dance, you laugh. When you are sitting in the lap of nature, feeling relaxed, your eyes close, your facial muscles become serene and calm. Do you agree? What if I say it is true the other way around as well? The as-if principle given by William James in the 19th century and further evolved by the 20th century psychologists says that if you are in the middle of a stressful situation, if you are tensed, depressed, or feeling sad, do similar gestures or movements associated with the happy feelings so that your body starts producing the feel-good hormones. This will eventually empower you to deal with the negative situation and come out of it. So based on this principle, we have come up with a very innovative session wherein we will learn certain therapeutic physical movements and gestures crafted in a way that will systematically help your body to release the desired happiness hormones. So let us step into the world of positive actions to bring the positive change. The first one is the dance of smiling nature based on Indian classical dance Mohiniyattam. Let me ask you, what are the signs of nature being happy? Something like this, as you can see it on your screens. Cool breeze flowing, the trees dancing, swinging. Agree? They seem to be dancing in ecstasy. Let us swing in sync with them through this Mohiniyattam movement inspired by the smiling nature. I request all of you to please stand and follow the demonstrators. Open your feet slightly apart, pointing away from the body. Now bend and extend your arm to the left side. Right hand in the center with the palm facing upwards. After getting into this position, extend your right leg along with the arm to the right side like this. Swing the arm with the body. Come on everyone. Swing in sync with the music. Fantastic. Come on, do it. Now, same thing on the other side. Do it. Let your body swing freely. Feel the cool breeze touching your cheeks, soothing the jumpy nerves, filling you with freshness. Let your heart beat in sync with the movement. Now, trees are swinging faster with the winds. So, swing faster, everyone. Follow the demonstrators. Very nice. What a beautiful inspiration these swinging trees are giving. Otherwise swift, they are bending and swinging with the winds. Let us also leave aside the stiffness, the stubbornness, which is taking away the peace of our mind. Let us learn to bend and become flexible for our happiness, for our joy, for our peace of mind. Everyone, you are doing fantastic. Very nice. All right. Moving on to the next one. How else does nature express its happiness? When it rains. And when it rains, who spreads its feathers and dances in the rain? Any guesses? Yes, it's the peacock. So let us spread our wings and dance to ecstasy. Spreading your wings, simultaneously balancing on your toes, move to your right side like this. Now, on your toes as well as shoulders, move up and down. Up and down. Same thing on the other side. Move it, balancing on the toes. Very nice. Now again, shoulders and toes, up and down. Up and down. The peacock movement in Indian classical dance symbolizes balance and awakening. With this balance and awakening in life comes real joy and ecstasy. So if you are stuck in life, get things moving again by dancing to the tunes of life with a smile on your face and self-confidence. Let me see the smile and joy, the confidence. You all are doing beautifully. Fantastic. Come on. Very nice.